Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off listen help for selling notifications on your eBay app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your eBay app. All you have to do, just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just go down, then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just go down here. So you click here on notifications here, then it's going to take you to the next window here, and you just go down here, then you come here to see the notifications, you come here to listen here, you will click here on this mark or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that's me listen here for selling notifications is some off now. That's all. I wish you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.